When you make an offer on a house, you put down a deposit called earnest money, or in Western Pennsylvania, we also call it hand money. It shows that you're serious. You're making an offer in good faith. If you simply decided to walk away, the seller would get to keep the money. How much you put down depends upon the situation. If there are no other offers, you can get away with putting down as little as 1% of the purchase price. If there are multiple offers, you're going to want to put more money down to show that you're serious, like 2 or even 3%. Now, let's say that something goes terribly wrong during the home inspection. The inspector finds black mold or the foundation is cracked. Then you can terminate the deal and get the earnest money back, as long as you opted for a home inspection contingency. The same is true for a mortgage contingency. God forbid you lose your job during the transaction and you can't get a mortgage. You can get the earnest money returned. Now, those are worst-case scenarios. If everything goes as planned, the earnest money will go toward the purchase of the house, and you'll have to bring that much less to the closing table. I'm Robin Taylor. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more content like this, just click on the subscribe button. This is Real Estate Done Right.